What's up, everybody? If you haven't signed up with ShakePay, today's the day. So you can just go to ShakePay up here, shakepay.co. Main page, you can just go to sign up and use an email, active email, username, and make sure that your password is of a strong nature. Okay, as you can see, don't make that mistake. Okay, not too hard. So once this email verification pops up, make sure to go check your email. And once you check the email, be sure to then click on this link right here. Okay, now it's going to ask for your phone number and put that in now. Okay, and they're going to send you a text message with the code. Okay, so in this part, you're going to add some information here about yourself. First name, last name, date of birth, and your occupation. I'm going to pause the video and I'll see you on the next part. In this next part, it's going to ask you about your home address. So you can input it manually, or I'm assuming that if you get it wrong, it can help you here with this input address manually here. So I'm just going to pause the video and you guys can put your address in there. Okay, so in this next part, you're going to have to do a bit of a selfie here. A picture of yourself holding your passport or driver's license and a paper with ShakePay and today's date. I'm assuming this is to prevent anybody from, I guess, trying to scam. So it's not too hard. Make sure to use a good picture and make sure that the driver's license or the passport is very clear and you have today's date with ShakePay on it. And then the second document that you'll need is also the utility bill and one e-statement. So make sure that they aren't screenshots. It's better if they're you download the document from the actual bank, or if you have a photo which you can take from your phone as well with the utility bill or internet or phone. So I'll let you guys finish that and then I'll meet you at the next part. Okay, so part of signing up for this, as I mentioned before, was that you need to present your passport or driver's license with a paper that says ShakePay and today's date. Make sure that it's clear. It's probably best to get someone to take a picture for you because doing it yourself, it just won't work. So I suggest getting someone to take a picture for you. This is what mine looks like. It's a little embarrassing. I had zoomed out a little bit so you can't see much of the info, but see how it has to be pretty clear, right? So they can see. So let's get rid of that horrible picture. And we're going to upload this document here. Okay, so I'm going to put on pause now, and I'll see you in a second. Okay, everyone, so if you accidentally press on the button that says continue when you haven't entered in all your information, it's going to take you to a page like this. All right, so you need to go to your documents and you can enter them here. So remember the selfie picture that you guys just did. Make sure to load it up on here. Just remember government issued ID, passport, driver's license, and ShakePay with today's date written on it. So when you put that one in, then you need to do these two categories, A and B. So either a utility bill, benefits or insurance statement, T4, a record of employment, or official school document. Category B is to provide a credit card statement, bank statement, or a mortgage or loan account statement. So just make sure that when you grab these pieces of documents that they have the right address on it. If not, they probably will deny you. So just keep an eye open for that. Okay, so once you get all of these pieces of documents all lined up and ready to go, you're going to send it off. And I'm assuming, something went wrong. So hold on a second. Okay, so once that goes through, it's going to take you back to the page and it's going to say pending review. I'm going to pause the video now and I'll come back once I know everything's good to go. But make sure that everything is done properly and you won't have to do this a million times. Okay, so last night I had to leave the recording running, or I just paused it just because it took them a little bit to get back to verifying the account. I'd say it probably took, I don't know, maybe like 6-7 hours. I guess depending on where these guys are located, that's why it took a little bit longer. But everything came back okay. I got an email around 9 a.m. this morning. So actually, maybe it was a little bit long. Maybe it was like close to 10 hours since I sent in my information. So just be prepared to wait. I know with certain brokers, they're pretty quick, but these guys don't seem to be as quick. So just be sure to make sure that you wait, so that I'm sure they will get back to everybody. So as you can see here, I got the email saying your account has been verified on ShakePay and you're all set to buy and sell Bitcoin, right? So we're going to go back to our account here and we're going to log in and we're going to get rid of these tractors here. And all right, here we go. I'm sure every time you log in, you're going to have to do the two-step verification. Okay, so once you've been okay, so once you've signed in, as you can see here, I've already got some messages saying that my account has been upgraded and I'm ready to buy and sell Bitcoin. So I'm going to give that a big, yeah, there we go. And let's see here. So we can add funds here. We can do Interact, EFT wire transfer. You can do Bitcoin as well. If you or buy one of those Bitcoin machines, be sure to look it up on Google. You can Google like Bitcoin locations. Just do locations, Vancouver or wherever you are, and you can just see here. There's a bunch. You can go click on here, and you can find all the Bitcoin places that you can purchase Bitcoin. All right, so we're gonna go back here. It also takes Ethereum. I would just stick with Bitcoin or Interact e-transfer. Those are probably the best ones for you. You can exchange your dollars from Canadian to Bitcoin or vice versa, I'm assuming. Yes, so, and then I'm assuming, yeah, you can send people some funds. Okay, so when you go to your profile, it's going to see that you've been verified on your email, your phone number, your Interact security answer. I've blocked mine out, but that's what you're going to get as well. So I'm just going to go back to clicking on here, clear all this. And as you can see, I've completed all the steps. Phone, email, account verified. So my profile is ready to go. If you guys have any questions about getting ShakePay set up, it's pretty simple. The hardest part, I'd have to say, is making sure that you're taking the picture properly of you holding up the date with ShakePay on there. And here, I'm just going to hold it up to you again. Right, it's backwards, but this is how clear it has to be. Make sure that it's written properly and you have your passport with your face included in the photo as well. Okay, so and then also with the utility bill, I would just go to either, TELUS or BC Hydro. If you get yours mailed to you, you can take a picture of it. You can also log on to your BC Hydro and download invoice. Also, you can do the same thing for your internet bill. That's what I did. You can download that and then upload the exact document. You don't need to mess around with it. And same with your banking. You have to give them like a bank statement. I'm pretty sure it's just to verify your address. So if you don't want people to see the transactions, I'm pretty sure you can scribble those out. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. It's fairly straightforward on getting signed up with ShakePay. If you need any help, be sure to leave a comment down in the comments below. If I don't reply, be sure to reach out to any of your team leaders. They'll be able to help you out. But I feel the video was pretty straightforward. It's not very hard. So yeah, I hope everyone is able to get this all set up. And yeah, if you have any questions, just leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. All right. I hope everyone has a great day and take care.